Hey guys, so quick video for you. If you're looking for a video if the equity edge is good and if you can make money there. And now the first thing is that when we're gonna look here on the reviews, I don't really like it, like 3.9 reviews and you have plenty of 1 star, and when you're gonna check here is that it could possibly have like paid reviews. And when you're gonna primarily look here on the 1-2 star reviews, see that you're gonna find plenty of people 60 days waiting for payout, and I would recommend not really using that at all, like at all. So yeah, plenty of people are saying they get money back, so therefore this is a quick and effective videos. Don't use it at all, and that's pretty much it. And you can just like read so many reviews here.